Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set a default folder view for all folders on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 File Explorer. I will show you guys how to do that. First you just need to open up File Explorer and you just need to open up any folder, and now you just need to right click on these categories: name, date, modified, type or size. Right click on it, and one of the columns you can adjust which ones appears up here guys. So you want to add date created, for example select date created. Now that column has been added. Now for example you just want to drag this to modification for yourself. If you want to create a date created and date modified near to it, that will be displayed over here. And now you just want to save this type. You just need to click on this three dot icon and select options, and now select view tab and select apply to folders. You can apply this view such as details or icons to all folders of this type. Click on apply to folders and select yes, and now the type has been changed guys. If you visit any other folders, the type will be listed like this guys: date created and date modified, size, name and type. So now if you want to undo these changes, you just need to go back to this folders option and select view tab and select reset folder. And do you want to reset all folders of type to the default view settings? Click on yes, and that's back to name, date, modified, type and size guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.